Oh, welcome. Okay, let's see. I got to start. Yeah, this is William Drosky from Business Central there, and just starting with a basic website. On my website, stomachsearch.com. Just providing, been just working on adding some updates to my website, some advertising resources there. But gonna be giving a shout out to Job Group there. If you like trains, like walking trains video, and kitty cats and puppy dogs, that's a good channel to watch. And plus, they've been selling a lot of stuff, excess stuff that I had in my collection with Matchbox cars, diecast cars, comic books. So I could give you an update of had 14 lot of Matchbox cards and plastic cards, including some Corvettes and 1964 plastic Mustang. Daniel R. Wilson has purchased that as a new owner of that collection, and he bought that right around July 8th. And of course, Tyler Fox, another eBay buyer, bought a 2009 DVD catalog of Turner Classic Movies. And of course, had a aroma induction cooktop, so one of those hot plates. And the buyer was Mark Castro, another eBay buyer, and he bought that around July 16th of this year. And of course, Scott Lawhorn, another eBay buyer. It's is owner of the antique old Master Coffee Can tin Lithia there, which is pretty cool and collectible. Of course, I had this PC game called Zoo Tycoon 2. Probably because Dan Muntink, another eBay buyer, bought that around August 4th, which is about a month ago. It was had a negative film and slide viewer with Luminate magnifying glass there, and Steve Boucher bought that around August 5. Also had a Dazzler 15th, May 1982 Bronze Age Marvel comic book. Jose R. Hermandez is the proud owner of that comic. And along with another item which I did treasure, which I had a die-cast 1/24th scale, car, Dale Earnhardt 1951 September 11th car commemorative edition, which I sold about 1458. Arthur Massey is the proud owner of that car. And this also had a lot of 8 Hot Wheels, along with Johnny Lightning, and a remote controlled car, die-cast pickup truck, I sold that for $20.99. Virgil Simmons is the partner owner of those items. And a supervillain team up, number 3, February of 1973. It's like a comic book. It's like it was like near mint condition. It's like Submariner. James T. Stokes is the partner owner of that comic book. Second one up there with there's gonna skip a few items. Also had Sims 2 Castaway, like a Sony PlayStation, with a complete with manual. Sold that for $9 there, and Anthony Sheldon sold about that game, which he's probably enjoying. And last night there's I had some 5 vintage painted wooden dolls, which is collectible. Sold that for $12.50 there, and just shipped it out just recently, a couple days ago. Nicole A. Reagan's the owner of those items. This is like a fantastic update, which be coming up with some new updates, which I'm going to be doing some more additions there, which I have other items on like an eBay account, such as some like Don Ross puzzle cards, some like a lot of baseball cards, and there's books, collectible books, cookbooks there, and this Paganism and Christianity by Arthur Weigall. And also have some like Toughen Up magazines, have some quilting blocks, not a lot of 945 records, the Book of Mormon, got another Testament there, like Butch of the Bible, which I'm going to be probably like to get rid of. Have some like books about top 3 secret recipes. Has some like a file full of cut-lined magazines. Some like giant focus cards over the Michigan up north. Booked a lot there. I guess like including with the Encyclopedia of American Cars. Like Gateway keyboard for your computers. Some more comic books. And I have XTRM remote control buggy that's going for $28.70 there, and also with some lot of 12 Look and Life magazines, including JFK, the moon landing, and the Pentagon Papers. And that's like some more lot of die-cast car collection, like the Corvette and the Mustang, and some other collectible cars, along with DVD lot with Marlene Lee, Meet John Doe, Passion of Christ there, like some music CD and a PC game. And I have a lot, like baseball cards, including the album. And I have a lot of 3 of IKEA mirrors, wooden lot there with the mirrors, which is about 9 inches. That's going to be closing out with my updates, which I have like recently there. Also, I have like a Lee Iacocca autobiography that's going to be up for grabs. So this is William Trotsky, just reminding you some shake the money tree. Like I share these videos part right there and some updates. So I'm going to be providing a link to my seller account on eBay there. So I wish you well. Have a nice weekend there. And don't forget to shake the money tree.